Standard 8 Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 9, Access Queries. You use queries to view, change and analyze data in different ways. You can also use them as the source of records for forms, reports and data access pages. The most common type of query by using design view is the select query. This retrieves data from one or more tables and displays the result in a data sheet where you can update the records after meeting certain conditions. You can use a query to group records and calculate sums, counts, averages and other types of totals. A query can be created in the design view. Creating a query using the design view. The design view allows you to create a query from scratch. Let us create a query using the tables students and students detail to retrieve the roll numbers, names, phone numbers of the students. In the database window, click on the Create tab. Click on the Query Design button in the Other group. Click to choose the table. To add table, click on the Table tab you want to work with. Then click on the Add button. Repeat for each table you want to add. When you wish to retrieve information on the basis of relationship students, then it is preferable to create the relationship between the tables in advance using the relationships window. Click on the Close button when you finished adding the tables. The Query Design View window opens. Drag the fields age and class from the students table window and drop it in the first and the second columns in the query window respectively. In the same way, drag the field student name from the students detail table window and drop it below in the third column in the query window. To execute the query, click on the Run button. Access retrieve all the fields and records for the table and display them in datasheet view. Students, to save the query, click on the Quick Access toolbar and select the Save option. And save type, you have to type the name as phone and click on OK. Opening and modifying the query. In Query Design View, the query setup groups after several options that can assist you. Suppose you wish to sort the data of the previous query in the ascending order of student's name. Click on the query name in the database window. Click on the Open button on the database window. Now student, click on the short row, second column, a drop-down arrow appears. Select an option from the list, example ascending. This will sort the students' names in the ascending order. To save the changes in the query, click on File menu and choose Save. To execute a query, click on Query menu and choose Run. The list will be now sorted in ascending order shown in the figure. Thank you.